Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's week 3 of Gratitude Collab hosted by Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. Make sure to check out also our wonderful collaborators. The channels will be linked down below in the description box. What is the prompt? The prompt is, what is your favorite season in the year and what's your favorite thing about it? So my favorite season, as you can see, is Christmas. I love Christmas. This was an old little banner that I made for a previous little 12 Days of Christmas that I had done with my kids. And then this gorgeous holiday card was gifted to me by our talented crafty friend, My Paper Journey, MJ Reyes. Isn't that a beautiful card? I love the dimension she added there. I just wanted to put it here because for me, Christmas is magical. That time of season is a wonderful time to bring people together. And so I want to show first what I made. I'm going to put this in my gratitude journal. This beautiful fabric lace snippet was gifted to me by MJ, and I love it. So I used part of it, another piece I am saving for my favorite pieces, and I've put it in a box. But this is just a book page. I love the brown paper packages. If you are a fan of Sound of Music, comment down below, because one of my favorite songs from that musical was My Favorite Things. And so this reminds me of that. And when I talk about packages, I'm referring not only to the literal packages that we receive, but also the wonderful gifts that we get in togetherness, having a celebration, laughing, singing together, praying together, and just have a wonderful time during the season is something I always look forward to. And you can see the shimmer on the beautiful pieces that she has laid out here. I feel that's representative also of, yeah, just the joy and the light. I love Christmas decorating. This year, though, we're going on a smaller scale. I will be sharing my haul from a holiday craft fair that we attended recently with my daughter, Emmy. One of our thrift shops had hosted it, and it was so much fun. So look out for that video soon. So inside, I just made a little card. I will say like a little ATC tag card. Very simple. We have stitched ruffled paper here with our Christmas traditional colors of red, green, and then Santa. I grew up believing in Santa Claus, so you know the gift of sharing, and also cute reindeer here on top of this. I think this is wood, like a faux wood piece, and on the back it has 3 words that come to mind in this season, in our togetherness again, family, friends, and creating those memories. So I love that. I love Christmas. I love also the fact that it's cooler weather and the kids get a break so that we have time to spend with each other and just be together. So I think the word for today is togetherness. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little share of what is my favorite season of the year. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite season is and why. I'd love to hear from you, and also check out everyone's shares. I will say my second season that I love, and you guys probably already know it, it's spring. But for just my major season would be the holiday season, which is Christmas season. So again, thank you guys. A big thank you to our hosts, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. I'll see you next time. Bye.